Hello folks. Now before we get started with WebX, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab WebX in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 is affiliate marketing business made easy. And it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. It includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. Bonus number 3 shows you a product that allows you to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it's not just any kind of passive income, it's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 5 will allow you to supercharge the results that you receive with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Now, you can receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, who's behind WebX? Well, Sai Adeleke has 17 products and over 68,000 sales on Warrior Plus. A rather prolific person. He is considered an elite producer, and he and his team are constantly honing his creative and internet skills. In a nutshell, Luana, your virtual assistant in this app, will assist you with creating blogs, websites, sales funnels, pages, and an e-com store. Now, here's some things you should know about WebX. Luana, who we've just introduced you to, will assist you with, as I mentioned, creating a website, developing content, copywriting, and design. You can use voice commands or typed demands. It is also a real drag-and-drop app, and it's preloaded with a whole ton of templates. It has a built-in autoresponder and store-ready functions with seamless payment integration, and it is SSL secure, and it provides a one-page SEO optimizer, and much, much more. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is $17, and it really is a steal when you consider all that this app offers just at the front end. There are 8 upgrades ranging from $47 to $297, and I would suggest you take a hard look at upgrade number 2, which has 10 done-for-you campaigns. Done-for-you products are always great. Because you can get started right away while continuing to earn and learn all aspects of the product. Now, be sure to watch for the downsells, because there are downsells, and you may receive a reduced or a different product when you hit a downsell. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And I recommend that you take a hard look at WebX. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. This is a massive opportunity, and I cannot recommend it enough. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and to get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And the bonus will show you how to conduct affiliate marketing easily and includes a resource file. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.